And we're back to learning CapCut. Let me show you a circular slice transition. You have these two clips. You want to make sure that they are in the same video channel. So don't stack them like this. Stack them horizontally. Make sure that this magnet icon is checked. That way you won't have any gaps. Then go to Transitions, Split. And here you should find the circular slices. If you use the free version, you have to use number 2. It looks like this. When you left click on it, you can adjust the duration right here on the right hand side. Be careful though, there is another circular slices, but this is a pro feature. And if you can't find that at all, type it in, circular slice, press enter, and then it should pop up. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.